Hi guys, so Hourglass came out with a couple new products recently. One was their Caution Extreme Mascara, and the other is their Scattered Light Eyeshadows, which I picked up the color Blaze in the store. But I thought I would give you guys a quick review of them, just in case you guys were thinking of purchasing them. So I'm actually going to do a little demo of the Scattered Light and then throw on the mascara so you guys can see kind of how it applies. But the Scattered Light comes in a nice jar. And once you open it, you'll notice there's a little plastic cover on it. So when you take this off, don't throw it away because you'll want to reattach it to the item after you're done using it. It kind of helps keep the moisture in it, so that will help it apply a little bit easier. So they recommend applying it with a finger, which is what I've been doing. I tried it with a brush, but it was too messy and just not very easy. And this one is more of a creamy product than some of the other shadows that are similarly packaged. I know Natasha Denona has one like this, and Tarte does as well. And those I've had success applying with a brush, but this one is just too fine of a powder. So you can see it's pretty easy. It took me probably, 20 seconds to apply it and just smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm going to throw on the mascara afterwards. So I do recommend using your fingertip to apply that. And then their Extreme Lash Mascara Caution. I'm going to apply this. I've used this several times now, and it's more of a drier formula than a lot of other mascaras, and it can apply a little bit clumpy just if you apply a couple layers. So I recommend just going with one layer on it. And the one thing I have noticed is there is a little bit of smudging on the top of my on my eyebrow bone at the end of the day. So it's not a very waterproof mascara, and it does smudge a bit. So if you have longer lashes, I would either recommend not using this mascara or applying like a waterproof base on top of it. And I can see if I can find one for you guys, but there's what that combo looks like, but very nice. And I do have one thing that I found that really works really well, and I've used this quite often now. And I wasn't going to mention this, but the Cargo Swimmables, it's like a top layer that you apply over mascara right as it's drying, and it actually makes it pretty waterproof. So it almost kind of transforms any mascara into a waterproof mascara. And just as it's about to dry, you just apply a little layer to the top of your eyelashes. And I've used this while snorkeling, and it really does transform any mascara into pretty much a waterproof mascara. So it's well worth checking out, in my opinion. I'm really surprised by it and really actually quite like it. So just thought I'd mention that. So that can also help with the smudging that some of the mascaras do, like around your outer brow bone. I found that this really works well with the Hourglass Extreme Caution Mascara. So a good combo if you have longer lashes or have issues with smudging. So anyway, check those out, but definitely a couple of things worth checking out. And I really am liking the Scattered Light eyeshadow. So if you like the Tarte ones, the Tarte Chrome Pot, you'll probably like this as well. Here's one of the Tarte Chrome Pots. This is, what color is this? Frosé. So, but the Scattered Light is a little bit of a thinner formula. So anyway, just thought I'd give you guys a quick review on these. So anyway, stay tuned, and I've got more reviews coming out this week. Thank you so much, guys.